Teaching a child self-discipline is an important process that helps them develop independence, responsibility, and self-management. Here are some ways to help a child develop self-discipline. 1. Be a role model. Children learn quickly by observing those around them. So be a good role model by demonstrating self-discipline in your daily life. For example, if you show responsibility by cleaning up after meals or finishing tasks on time, your child will be more likely to follow your example. 2. Encourage small tasks. Start with simple tasks that the child can do on their own, such as tidying up toys, folding clothes, or helping with gardening. Try not to do things for them, even if they don't do it perfectly. The key is to encourage them and praise their efforts when they complete a task. This boosts their confidence. 3. Set clear and consistent rules. Children need clear rules to understand when they should do things. Create a daily routine, such as, after breakfast, you need to clean the table before playing. This helps the child form a habit of self-discipline without constant reminders. 4. Praise and reward self-discipline. Pay attention to your child's efforts, even the small ones. When they clean up their toys or do something on their own, praise them and encourage them further. Saying things like "you did a great job" or "I'm really proud of you" helps the child feel good about their efforts and motivates them to keep going. 5. Create a positive learning environment. For a child to develop self-discipline, their environment should support it. Keep their study and play areas tidy and organized, and provide tools and materials that they can use independently. This encourages self-reliance. 6. Teach about consequences. Teaching children about the consequences of their actions is also a way to develop self-discipline. For example, if they don't finish their homework, they will have less time to play. On the other hand, when they do their tasks well, they get to enjoy more of their favorite activities. Make sure the consequences are fair and reasonable. 7. Encourage creativity and independence. Give the child opportunities to make their own choices, from picking clothes to deciding what activities to do during the day. This helps them develop independence and self-discipline in managing their own lives. 8. Be patient and persistent. Developing self-discipline is a long process that requires patience. Sometimes children may forget or resist doing what's required, but don't give up. Stay patient and consistent in guiding them. In conclusion, teaching a child self-discipline isn't something that happens overnight, but with a positive environment, family support, and clear rules, a child will gradually develop self-discipline. The key is always to encourage and create opportunities for the child to practice independence and responsibility in small steps.